Hi, we're going to create this part in SolidWorks. So let's get it started. Go to File menu, click New, select Part, OK. Now, before we make the sketch, we need to make sure that we're using the right unit system. So click here, and here it says IPS, means inches pound second. So I'm going to switch it to mmgs, that stands for millimeter gram second. So click that. Okay, select front plane under the feature tree, click sketch, and I'm going to make the approximate shape of the front profile of this object. So start with the line tool, click the origin, and start making that approximate shape of the front profile of the object. Now at this point it doesn't have to be perfect, because we're going to apply the smart dimension and the constants to make it perfect and fully defined. I'm going to draw the circle also, the circle. Okay, let's hold Control and select these two lines and make them equal, and use the center line and connect these 2 points. Select the center line and make it horizontal. Now let's apply smart dimensions. This is gonna be 90. It's coming from here. This line is 35. This is coming from here. Distance between this vertex and this line is 60, and 60 is coming from here. This is 25 from here. This is 30. 30 is coming from here. Distance between these two lines is 12. The distance between this line and this line is 40, and it's coming from here, you see 20. So 20 is halfway, so the total distance is going to be 2 times 20, 40. Now the diameter of the circle is given as 14 millimeter. It's right here, 14. Now let's locate the center point of the circle from this side, which is 20, and from the bottom horizontal line, the center point is also 20 millimeters. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined. That you can see here, it's fully defined. So I'm going to accept my sketch, and while this sketch one is highlighted under feature tree, go to extruded boss base and click that tool, and I'm gonna extrude it in the reverse direction. So click that, and total depth is gonna be 55. That's given here. 55. Okay. Okay again. All right. Now let's select this surface, insert a sketch, and go to view orientation. Click normal to, and draw a corner rectangle. Start anywhere from this edge and draw and approximate rectangle, and go to the center line, click the midpoint of this edge, and then click the midpoint of this line. Exit from the center line, select that center line and make it vertical. Okay, now use the smart dimension and select this edge and that line, and this is going to be 15, and that 15 is coming from here, 15 both sides, and the depth of the cut is 18. So select this line and that line, this is going to be 18. Okay, the sketch is fully defined. Accept the sketch, and let's see our sketch in isometric view. Looks okay. So go to extruded cut and select through all. Click OK. And now we need to cut this portion. So I'm going to select the surface, insert a new sketch, and use the line tool to draw a triangle. So click anywhere on this edge, and then click anywhere on this edge, but be careful not to click the midpoint of the edge, and then click the vertex, and then go back to the point where you started from and click that. Okay, right click and select to exit from line tool. Okay, now click smart dimension. The distance between that edge and that point is 15 units. It's coming from here. Okay. And 5 millimeter is the distance between these 2 points. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined, that you can see here. Accept the sketch, and now cut again, extruded cut, and the depth of the cut is going to be this time 30 minus 1020, so type 20, click OK, and let's put it in isometric view again, and we're done.